press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, let us continue the discussion part from the question number 51. So in this section, we will discuss permutations and combinations, sequences and series, and then binomial theorem. So after that, to some extent, S infinity of a AG series, some special series which you have not studied in your first year NCERT. So they are prescribed only for JEE. So there you should concentrate on sum to infinity of a GP, S infinity of a GP, arithmetico-geometric series, which is the combination of arithmetic and geometric series. Now let us start the discussion of question number 51. The number of ways in which n distinct balls can be put into 3 boxes so that no 2 boxes remain empty. Means every box should occupy some balls. So for that you have the direct formula n power r minus n. So where n indicates, so here n indicates the number of boxes. How many boxes are there? 3 boxes. And r indicates the number of distinct objects. They may be balls, they may be rings, or they may be anything else. They must indicate the distinct objects. So here, how many distinct objects are there? N distinct objects are, in this case we can consider it as balls, and there are 3 boxes. Therefore, what must be our relation? 3 power n minus 3. Sometimes instead of giving n identical boxes, he may give some values for it. 5 distinct balls or 5 distinct envelopes, like that. So then you have to substitute n is equal to 5. So which is the right option? The fourth one is the right option. Next is question number 52. A host invites 20 persons for a party. The number of ways they can be seated at a circular table such that 2 particular persons be seated on either side of the host. So it is clearly a circular permutation. How many persons are there? Totally there are 21 persons including host. 20 persons, they are invitees, and one remaining person is a host. So totally 21 persons. Among those 21 persons, they can be seated in a round table such that 2 particular persons be seated on either side of the host. Either side of the host means here the position of 2 particular persons and the host is fixed. That is, treat those 3 persons as 1 unit. So how many units are there? 21 minus 3 plus these 3 persons can be treated as 1 unit. So totally there are 19 units. If these 19 units are to be arranged in a linear permutation, then the number of permutations will be 19 factorial. But here he is arranging those persons in a circular manner. Therefore, what is the number of permutation? Just to have to subtract the n minus 1 factorial, that is 19 minus 1 factorial into these 2 persons which are sitting on either side of the host. They can be interchanged their position. They can interchange their position. So that can be done in 2 factorial. So totally how many arrangements can be possible? 18 factorial into 2 factorial means you can take it as 2. So the right option is second one. From a committee of 8 persons, question number 53, we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position. Means you can choose a chairman from 8 persons only, that is 8C1, and a vice chairman. So now chairman is selected, so there are 7 persons left. A vice chairman in 7C1 ways. So that is 8 into 7, that can be equal to 56. So that is fourth option can be taken. 54. So very good question. In a room, there are 12 bulbs of the same wattage, each having a separate switch. The number of ways to light the room with different amounts of illumination. So very good question. So here, what are the possible states of a switch? Either a switch may be on or the switch may be off. So how many possible states for a switch are there? There are 2 possible states. Either it may be on or it may be off. How many bulbs are there? 12 bulbs. So in how many ways can we take the states of a switch for 12 bulbs? That is 2 power 12. So either you can make one switch on, all the switches off. You can make 2 switches on, all the remaining switches off, like that. 3 switches on, all the switches off. So how many states can be possible here? 2 power 12. The condition is given that the number of ways to light the room with the different amounts of illumination. There will be no illumination only when all the switches are off. So among these 2 power 12 possible states, there is one state where all the 12 switches are off. So you have to subtract 1 from 2 power 12. So how many possible states are there? 2 power 12 minus 1. So this 2 comes from possible states of a switch. Either it may be on or it may be off. So like a binary code, 0 or 1, switching circuit concept. Among all these possible 2 power 12 switches, there is only one state where we cannot have any illumination, because when all the switches are off, then there will be no illumination. So what is the total number of illuminations, possible illuminations? 2 power 12 minus 1. So you can go for third option, which is the right option. Next, question number 55. A picnic party of 10 persons, this is also a very good question, is to go by 2 vehicles, one van having a passenger seating capacity of 8 and a car with a passenger seating capacity of 4. In how many ways can the travel arrangements be made? So in how many ways can you make this arrangement? You can select all the 8 persons for a van, remaining 2 persons for car. Or you can select 7 persons for van and 3 persons for car. You can select 6 persons for van and 4 persons for car. So then 10C8 means 10C2, which is equal to 45 into 1. 10C7 means 10 into 9 into 8. 10C3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 3 into 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are 108. 3 ones are 3 threes are, sorry, 120. And then 10C6 means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 10C4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 8 8 cancel, 3 ones are 3 threes are, that gives you 210. So what is the total number of possible arrangements? So that gives you 375, which is available in option 4. Next question. There are two urns. Very simple question but a confusing question. Urn A has 3 distinct red balls and urn B has 9 distinct blue balls. From each urn, 2 balls are taken out at random and then transferred to the other. ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ನ್ ಏನಿಂದ 2 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂದ 2 ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಾಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ನ್ ಎಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಅರ್ನ್ 2 balls are taken out at random and then transferred to the other. The number of ways in which this can be done. Very simple question. Either you can take 2 red balls from urn A, or you can take 2 blue balls from urn B, that is 3C2 into 9C1. 3C2 means 3. 9C2 means 9 into 8 by 2 into 1. 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So that gives you 108. That is available in option 4. Next question. 57. A question paper consists of 2 sections having respectively 3 and 4 questions. The following note is given on the paper. It is not necessary to attempt all the questions. One question from each section is compulsory. In how many ways can a candidate select the questions? Yes. So, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2 sections having respectively 3 and 4 questions. Either you can select, let us take one question is selected from first section. One question is selected from first section, and from the second section you can select one question, or you can select 2 questions, or you can select 3 questions, or you can select all the 4 questions. This is one possibility. Or the second possibility is you can select 2 questions from section 1, 2 questions from section 1, and you can take 1 question from section 2, or 2 questions from section 3, or 3 questions from section 2, or 4 questions from section 3, section 2. Or you can select all the 3 questions from section 1, then again 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4. Very good question. So 3C1 means 3, 4C1 means 4, 4C2 means 6, 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1, 4C3 means 4, 4C4 means 1, plus 3C2 means 3. Again you get same result, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 19, plus 3C3 means 1. Again you get 19 here. So 19 into 3, 57 plus 57, 19 into 3, 57 plus 57 plus 19. So that is do I have this option 123? Third option is missing. 144 is there, 12 is there. 15 into 3, 45. So this is also 15, 15 into 3, 45. And this is also 15. So 90 plus 15, that gives you 105. I hope this is available in second option. So go for it. Next, question number 58. the number of 4-letter words that can be formed from the letters of the word infinity, so that 3 are alike, 1 is different. Note infinity. So this word contains some repeated letters and some non-repeated letters. So I appears 3 times and N appears 2 times, whereas FTY appears once. So totally there are 8 letters in this word. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 3 letters ಆರ್ ಅಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ 3 ಐಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. 3 ಲೆಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಲೆಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, 4 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ 1 ಲೆಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4C1. And also totally how many letters are chosen? So here 1 letter, they treat this as 1 unit, plus 2, 3, 4, and this here totally we have selected 4 letters. Among those 4 letters, they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. 3 i's are alike, so divide by 3 factorial. So 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 4. 4 into 4 is 16 possible arrangements can be made. So that 16 is available in option 3. So these are some questions from the permutations and combinations. And in this next section we can move towards the binomial theorem. The product of 2 middle terms in the expansion of 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x whole power 9. 3x square by 2 minus 1 by 3x whole power 9. Yes. Index is odd, that is 9. So the expansion contains how many terms? 10 terms. Among those 10 terms, there are 2 middle terms, 5th term and 6th term. We are asked the product of those 2 middle terms, that is T5 into T6 is asked. So what is TR plus 1 general formula? NCR into A power N minus R into B power R. A power N minus R into B power R. So what is N value? N is 9. R, so that depends on T5 or T6. And what is A? 3x square by 2. And what is B? Minus 1 by 3x. NCR means 9C. For T5 you have to put 4, R plus 1, into A power N minus R, 3x square by 2 whole power N minus R means 9 minus 4 is 5, and then 9C5, sorry, B one bit. What is B power R? B is minus 1 by 3x whole power R. What is R? R is in this case 5. Okay. Into what is T6? So I will write here 9C5. For T6 R must be 5. 9C5 3x square by 2 whole power 10 minus 5 n minus r. This must be 10 minus 4, 6. This is 4. So now you have to put r is equal to 5. A power n minus r, 10 minus 5 is 5. B power r minus 1 by 3x whole power r means 5. So that is 9C4 into 9C5. and this is 3 power 6 divided by 2 power 6 x power 12 minus to the even power is plus 1 by 3 power 4 into x power 4 into, this is 3 power 5 by 2 power 5 into x power 10 minus to the odd power is minus, let us write negative sign here, 1 to the power anything is 1 divided by 3 power 5 into x power 5. So this is minus 9c4 into 9c5, 3 power 6 by 3 power 4 is 3 square, x power 12 by x power 4 is x power 8, this is x power 10. X power 10 by x power 5 is x power 5. And then 3 power 5, 3 power 5 cancel, 3 power 6 n minus r, this is b power r. 2 power 5, this is 2 power 6, that gives you 2 power 11, x power 10 by x power 5 is x power 5, x power 12 by x power 4 is x power 8, 3 square, 3 power 6 into 3 square, 3 power 11, 3 power 5 into 3 power 4 is 3 power 9, minus 9c4 into 9c5, and this is 3 square is 9 by what is 2 power 11, 2 power 5 is 32, 1024 into 2, that becomes 2048 into x power 13. I think it is not available, x power 9 is there, 9c4, 9c5, that is correct. So some terms are to be 1 minus 3x, not 3x square, this is 3x. 3x square by 2. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. 5th term and 6th term are the middle terms. T5 into T6. What is T5? NCR into a power 3x square by 2, a power n minus r, sorry, 9 minus 4, not 10, 9 minus 4 is 5, and then minus 1 by 3x whole power r means 4. Next, NCR for T6, 3x square by 2 whole power n minus r, 9 minus 5 is 4 into b power r minus 1 by 3x whole power 5. Yes. 9c4 into 9c5, this is 3 power 5 divided by 2 power 5 into 3 power 4 into x power 10 x power 4, that gives you x power 6 minus to the even power is plus 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 5, that gives you divided by 3, 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 5 is 1 by 3, 2 power 4 into x power 8 divided by x power 5 is x power 3. So again 3 power 4 into 3 is 3 power 5, 3 power 5 cancel, Here minus to the odd power is minus 9c4 into 9c5 into, this is 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. X power 3 into x power 6 is x power 9. This is 2 power 9 is 512. So you can go for the right option. I think third option is the right option. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 9c4, 9c5 ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, 9c4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 9/512 ಮೈನಸ್ 9c4 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕೆಲವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. If the coefficients of second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of second term 1 plus x whole power 2n, that is 2n c1 second term, 2n c2 and then 2n c3 are in AP. Then n is equal to ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2nc1, 2nc2, 2nc3 are in AP ಅಂದರೆ 2nc2 becomes the arithmetic mean of 2nc1 and 2nc3. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗಿದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ, n minus 2r whole square is equal to n plus 2. But what is the value of n here? N here is 2n. What is r value of r? 2. 2 into 2, 4 whole square. Again n is 2n plus 2. So now you can expand. 4n square minus 16n plus 16 minus 2n minus 2 is equal to 0. 4n square minus 18n plus 14 is equal to 0. 2 in the divide madre. 2n square minus 9n plus 7 is equal to 0, or you can factorize 2n square minus 2n minus 7n plus 7. 2n is common, n minus 1 minus 7 is common, n minus 1. n minus 1 into 2n minus 7 is equal to 0. n cannot be equal to 1. ಯಾಕೆ n ಏನಾದರೂ 1ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ then you cannot define 2nc3. n ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2c3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is meaningless. So n cannot be equal to 1. Therefore n must be equal to ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು 7/2. So which is the right option. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 7/2 ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 or 7/2. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡು ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಥಿಯರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ NCR ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 1. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ n ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2c3 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫಾರ್ we cannot take the value of n as 1. So the only possible value is 7/2. So go for second option. 61. The same type question is there, but the value of n here is equal to n itself. Same type ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. n minus 2r whole square is equal to n plus 2. But the index of 1 plus x is n itself. But what is r? Again r is 2. 2 into 2, 4 whole square is equal to n plus 2. n square minus 8n plus 16 minus n minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can factorize n square minus 9n. 16 minus 2 is 14 is equal to 0. The factors are n minus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 2 or n is equal to 7. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎನ್ ಸಿ 1 ಎನ್ ಸಿ 2 ಎನ್ ಸಿ 3 ಅಂತ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಎನ್ ಸಿ 3 ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಎನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. 62. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power n. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಬರೀ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎನ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. n plus r minus 1 C2. This is the number of terms expression. What is n? Keep it as it is n. What is r? 3 minus 1 C2. n plus 2 C2. That is n plus 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1. That gives you 2. If you remember this formula, then it will become shortcut. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 into 13 by 2, that is 13 into 6, 78 terms are there. So this is the required result that is available in first option. Next question, question number 63. If 1 plus x square whole power n (1 plus x square whole power n), again it is also a trinomial expression. A naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. plus a2n x power 2n. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4th ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ? 1 ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಆಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3. 3 power n is equal to a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus etc. plus a2n. Let us take this expression as 1. Next, x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಒಮೆಗಾ ಕೊಡೋಣ. x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಕೊಡೋಣ. 1 plus omega square becomes 0. So a naught plus a1 omega plus a2 omega square plus etc. plus a2n omega power 2n. So call this expression as 2. And then we can give x is equal to omega square. Then also this term becomes 0. A naught plus a1 omega square plus a2 omega, like that. Now let us add all these three expressions, then you get 3 power n is equal to, nodi, a naught plus a naught plus a naught, 3 a naught. And then a1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 1 plus omega square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that becomes 0. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ a2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 1 plus omega square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that becomes 0, like that. So 3 power n minus 1 becomes the value of a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus etc. plus a2n, like that. a naught plus, so 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. a naught ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 plus omega square 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ 0 ಆಗ್ತವೆ ನೋಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. a2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 plus omega square, ಇದು ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. a3 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, a3 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ a3 ಒಮೆಗಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a3 ಒಮೆಗಾ ಪವರ್ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ a3. ಸೊ a naught plus a3 plus and then a6 plus etc. like that. So this is a naught plus a3 plus a6. Its sum is 3 power n minus 1. So that is available in option 2, 3 power n minus 1. Next, question number 64. Question number 64. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು. 1 plus x minus 3x square whole power 171 ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ, x is equal to 1 ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಆಗ 1 plus 1 minus 3 whole power 171, 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole power 171, that gives you minus 1. So which is the right option? Third one is the right option. ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 65 ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, 1 plus 1 minus 3 whole power what? 3148, which is even, minus 1 whole power 3148. So here sum of the binomial coefficients is 1. So which is the right option? Option 3 is the right option. Next, question number 65. If Sn denotes the sum of first n elements of an AP, if S2n is equal to 3 into Sn, then S3n is to Sn is asked. Very good question. What is given? S2n is equal to 3 into Sn. This is the data. S2n is equal to 3 into Sn. On the basis of this, let us deduce an intermediary result. Sn formula apply madibidri. N by 2 means 2n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means 2n minus 1 into d. 3 into, what is Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now let us cancel these n with n, 2 with 2. So what is left? 2 into 2a, or keep it as it is, 2a plus, or let us multiply. 2 into 2a, 4a, 2nd into 2, 4nd minus d into 2 minus 2d is equal to 3 into 2a, 6a, nd into 3, 3nd minus d into 3 minus 3d. Okay, 4nd minus 3nd is nd, 4a minus 2d plus 3d minus 2d plus 3d is plus d, nd plus d. 6a minus 4a becomes 2a. So this is an intermediary step that you have to extract. So what is the value of 2a? That is nd plus d. What is asked for us? S3n is to Sn. S3n divided by Sn is asked. What is S3n formula? 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d divided by, what is Sn formula? n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 cancel. Let us keep 3 as it is. What is the 2a value from the above intermediary step? nd plus d, nd plus d, 3nd minus d, 3nd minus d divided by 2a plus nd minus d, 2a plus 2a, what is 2a again? nd plus d, nd plus d, nd minus d, nd minus d. Okay, plus d minus d cancel, again plus d minus d cancel. 3 into nd plus 3nd is 4nd divided by 2nd. nd cancel. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6, which is available in second option. So very good question. Next question number 67. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅಪ್ ಟು 24 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. A1, A5, A10, A15, A20, A24. 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ನಮಗೆ? 24 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6 into 4 24. ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಿನ ಸಮ್ 225 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಅಂಥ 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸಿನ ಸಮ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 225 into 4. ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು 900. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್? ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 68. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಫ್ Sn ಡಿನೋಟ್ಸ್ ದ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, sum of n terms of a GP whose common ratio is R, then R minus 1 into dsn by dr, differentiation of nth term of a GP. So that is the second option is the correct option. We have discussed this question in the regular class also. Next, 69. Second option is the correct option. 69. The lengths of 3 unequal edges of a rectangular solid block or in GP. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. The volume of the block is the product of the length, breadth and height. And the total surface area ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಹೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ 6a² ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 69. 3 numbers are in GP. ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 numbers in GP, that is 216 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ RR ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. a cube is 216 means a is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 2 ಲೆಂತ್, ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಇವೆರಡು ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. a by r ಇಂಟು a ಪ್ಲಸ್ a ಇಂಟು AR ಪ್ಲಸ್ AR ಇಂಟು a. ನೋಡಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ 2 ಇರ್ತವೆ. 2 ಲೆಂತು, 2 ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತು, 2 ಹೈಟ್ is equal to what is the total surface area? 252. Now you have to find the length of the longest edge ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Let us take a² as common. So 2 1s ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. 2 2s 2 8s. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. 2 1s 2 2s 2 6. a² is common. 1 by r plus r plus r is equal to 126. But what is a² value? A is 6. So a² is 36. 1 by r plus 2r. r plus r is 2r. a into a by r into a into AR, AR into a by r, sorry, AR into a by r, RR cancel, this becomes 1 by r plus 1 is equal to 126. That is 1 by r plus 1 is equal to 126 divided by 36. That is 18 7s 18 2s. 1 by r plus r is equal to 7 by 2 minus 1. 1 by r plus r is equal to 5 by 2. That is r plus 1 by r is equal to, let us write 5 by 2 as 2 plus 1 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ quadratic equation ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So comparing these two, you get what is r? r is equal to 2. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? a by r. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ a? 6 by 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3. ಎರಡನೇ ಸೈಡ್ a. ಮೂರನೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? AR. 6 into 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12. 3 6 12 are the edges of the cube. Which is the longest side? 12 is the longest side. That is 12 centimeter is the length of the longest side. Next question. Question number Question number 70. If one geometric mean G and two arithmetic means A1 and A2, ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ question, are inserted between two given quantities, then 2A1 minus A2 into 2A2 minus A1 is equal to. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ question. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ AGB ಜಿ ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ G² ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? AB ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 2 ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ A1 A2 B ಇವು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ? AP ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ನಾವು A1 ಈಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A2. therefore 2a1 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus a2 or 2a1 minus a2 is equal to ಏನಾಯಿತು a ಆಯಿತು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. Similarly, a2 is the arithmetic mean between a1 and b. So what is the 2a2 expression? a2 is the arithmetic mean between a1 and b. So a1 plus b, that is 2a2 minus a1, which is equal to b. Now the product of these two is asked. Therefore 2a1 minus a2 into 2a2 minus a1 is equal to ab. But what is ab? ab is nothing but g square. So which is the right option for us? Option 3. Very good question. Next, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಂತ ನಾನು. ಒಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ 4 minus 54 into 1/2 whole power 26, 25, 1/2 whole power 25 as your option. So just you remember the third one. Okay, 72. That is a problem on S infinity. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಬೆಟರ್. S, what is that series? 1 plus 4 into, let us take it as 1/5 plus 7 into 1/5 whole square. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎ ಪಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡನೇದು ಜಿ ಪಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ? ಎ ಈಸ್ 1. ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 3. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ? 1/5. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಜಿ ಪಿ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ a/1 minus r ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ dr by 1 minus r whole square. dr by 1 minus r whole square. What is a? 1 by 1 minus 1/5 plus what is d? 3 into r is 1/5 divided by 1 minus 1/5 whole square, that is 1/4/5 plus 3/5 into 5 minus 1, 4, 16/25. 16/25, 4/5 whole square. 5 ones are 5 5s are. This is 5/4 plus 15/16. Now take 16 as the LCM. 4 into 5, 20 plus 15, 35/16. So that is, I think, available in option 3. Okay. Question number 73. The second, third and sixth terms of an AP are consecutive elements of a GP. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 73. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2d. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. These are the consecutive terms elements of a GP, then the common ratio of the GP ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ a plus 2d ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದಿಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ geometric mean, sorry, the value of a and d, that is a plus 2d whole square, g square is equal to ab, that is a plus d into a plus 5d. Okay, a square plus 4d square plus 4ad, this must be equal to a square plus 5ad plus ad plus 5d square. Okay, a square cancel, 5d square ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4d square ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ d square ಉಳಿತು, 6ad ಗೆ 4ad ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2ad ಉಳಿತು, is equal to 0. ಸೊ d ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ d plus 2a is equal to 0. But d cannot be equal to 0, therefore d must be equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus 2a. So what is the first term of the GP? What is a plus d? A, what is d? Minus 2a. That must be equal to minus a. What is a plus 2d? A minus 4a, that is minus 3a. This is the second term, consecutive term. What is a plus 5d? A minus 10a, that gives you minus 9a. But we are asked the common ratio, consecutive term, second term divided by first term, minus 3a divided by minus a, that gives you 3, which is the common ratio of the GP. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. 74. Let A1, A2, A3, etc. An be a GP such that A4 by A6 is equal to 1 by 4. That is one data given. A2 plus A5 is equal to 216. Then A1 is equal to. So first data you can take as A1 by A6, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದು. A1, A4 by A6, A4 by A6 is equal to 1 by 4. What is the fourth term of GP? A plus 3D. What is sixth term of GP? Sorry, GP ಅಲ್ಲ. What is fourth term of GP? AR cube. What is sixth term of GP? AR power 5 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by R square is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore R must be equal to plus or minus 2. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಾಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಮಗೆ, A2 plus A5 is equal to 216. But we are asked the first term. What is A2? AR plus what is A5? AR power 4 is equal to 216. So A is common. Don't take R as a common factor. No need. 216. Let us take the different values for R. When R is equal to 2, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 plus 2 power 4 is 16 is equal to 216. That implies A is equal to 216 divided by 18. So that gives you 12. R. When R is equal to minus 2, then what happens? Minus 2 plus 16 is equal to 216. That gives you A is equal to 216 divided by 14, that is 2 7s are 2 108s are 108 by 7. So which is the right option? 12 or 108 by 7 is the common ratio of the GP. So can you go for 12? Fourth option nodri bandirbekala. Yes, 12 or 108 by 7. So fourth option is the correct option. Question number 75. In an AP, the ninth element is 1 by 7. Ninth element means A plus 8D. Ninth term anta artha illi. 1 by 7. Okay. And seventh element is 1 by 9. Seventh element andrenu? A plus 6D. That is 1 by 9. What is asked? First sum of first 63 elements is asked. Yes, 63 is asked. Just subtract these two. 2D is equal to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. 63 is the LCM. 2 by 63 is 2D. Therefore, D is equal to 1 by 63. Same value ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So A is also 1 by 63. But what is asked now? We are asked to calculate sum to 63 terms of this AP. N by 2 into 2A, 2 by 63 plus N minus 1. 63 minus 1 is 62 into D divided by 63. So that is 63 by 2 into 64 by 63. Cancel these two. 32. So what is the sum to 63 terms of a GP? That is 32 is our required result. Okay. ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಂತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕೋ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.